For what? Well, they're probably so far down in the water. Gotta be other what? I scared 2 or 3 initially, then there was one near the shore and he's like he was bounding on top of the water. Boom, boom, boom. They're on the other side of that bush.
You notice those round balls?
Those maybe?
Maybe it's just... Oh,
there he is.
Right there. Oh, he's so pretty.
Just take a picture now real quick.
That's true. Here.
Bird. Alright, you go first then.
Oh, just in time.
You go first. You could scare him off this time. Go off down the shore. Yeah, they're all hiding in that bush. That clump of shit. I thought the visitor center, the bullfrogs are non-native and they're the ones that are pushing out all the other little frogs.
Flying around down there. Can't tell what it is though. Hope it's in focus. That's pretty good, I guess. Well, you can kind of see the clouds reflected in the water behind it in this one. My froggy. I think that is a bullfrog. Pretty sure. Well, you can tell.
What other kind of frog gets that big, Tiff, other than a bullfrog?
Well, it's not any other kind of frog because, well, most frogs have a thing, it's called the dorsolateral that goes down their side of their back, and bullfrogs don't have that, so he doesn't have it, so I don't know, something biting me. Could be a bullfrog. Make sure you check all your pants when you get out. I'm not sleeping with these things. That's a minnow right there.
Wish we could get further down the river. Who knows what we could find. Goes down for a ways.
Bet you it's pretty mucky. If we were to step down in that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think we'd probably sink.
Want to give it a try? Wade through on our feet.
It's got leeches in
Oh, there's
there.
that. There's that white one, white and black one.
Oh, okay.
I like it here.
I know, honey. Can't stay all day here. We have to go see another car. Get lunch.
You know, it's going crazy. Way back there. Kicking up all the minnows. up through there. Like, big, and some of the big animals must come down here to drink, right? At night, of course, but... By my little oasis in the desert of Arches National Park. I like it here. I don't see any, it's really deep. Maybe this never does dry out.
It's like a channel.
Along Salt Wash.
Salt wash.
Yeah, there's some big ones down there, Tiff. See that big one right here? It's about 6-8 inches. Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, he looks like a catfish.
Yeah, that catfish. He's down low. It was scary. Yeah, he's definitely a catfish. How's that one? How's that one? Look at her. Minnows.
Some of them aren't catfish, though. The skinnier ones are, obviously. But again, these are all saltwater, right? It's a salt wash.
That red dragonfly landed right there, too.
The minnows in the shallow there. Duck. He had to go a long ways without water in order to get here.
All by himself?
Unless he followed the Colorado River and just ended up here sort of accidentally.
Just one little duck?
Nice pools?
I have to get some water. I'm getting hot. I need some shade. What about you?
Move to the left.
Excuse me.
Please.
Where's all the I can see a spot on his body.
Well, they gotta be salt sunfish, because remember, this is a wash.
I don't know. It could be brackish. I don't know.
Duck. Right.
So you're not sorry to get out?
Well, no.
One window, one door.
What a way to live.